No bikers. No cars. I don't know how much speed I can make it. So this is a slip road. I guess is what the name is. I'm leaning quite a lot, but I like it. I mean a lot. For a newbie, this is a lot. Sun is out. Right. I'm gonna make some more speed. I've not done this a lot. Or at all. I should say. I hope the camera is fine. Hope it can manage. Fast. Camera is still on me, so that's good. I know that I'm more concerned about the camera. Right, so I have space to enter. I hope, yes. Right. Locking in. There's a lot of wind. Ah, but this is so much fun. No way. Ah, I'm in love. I'm in love. So much. Actually, drive a bike, that's insane. So yeah. By the way, I'm doing 40 kilometers per liter right now at 7,000. But you know what? I'm not gonna go up there. I'm gonna go up there later and then change my mind, but doesn't mean I should have time to overtake the truck. Because I can take the highway home, it's just a nice way, and it felt like if I didn't enjoy the highway as much, I would go off here, but my god, it is beautiful. It's so much fun to do. Let's go. a lot of it. I wonder how my hair is doing. So I'm gonna turn on my blinker. Wow, I did that. I did that. Oh, nice. So, I still have so much time. I'm gonna take a long way home. There's no point in going straight home. It's the highway after all, you win some time. I can't see if I can go. I think I can. How nice. So yeah, I'm gonna go around the ring of Leuven. Nice weather and I found the time to ride now, so why not use it? All this traffic. You see all this traffic. Alright, take me very slow, I suppose. That's fine. Ride your own ride. I'm gonna go to the left, yeah? That works. Alright, come on. Go on. Didn't mean to be so pushy. She just seemed to be looking everywhere else than the light. But that's okay. We're all a bit distracted sometimes, you know? That happens. I've been loving the sunshine. It's finally a bit warmer. And you see, I have had my license since December. So I haven't had a real riding season, I guess. Of course I've been riding all the time, except for when it snowed. I mean, even then I did ride. Which was a bit crazy, but it's no real riding season, as you'd call it. So I'm excited for that to come. Let me focus. Yeah. There is police. That was insanely scary. So the police honked, but it wasn't at me. I think it was either at the bus or the car. And it made it difficult to pass. Of course, I left enough space, like I wasn't scared that they would run me over or anything, but I don't think they honked at me. Or at least, that's just what I'm gonna tell myself. So I don't feel as bad. Yeah, that works. So I can sleep at night. I hear more sirens. There must have been something seriously wrong. That is a shame. I feel really bad, you know, but like about the thing, like if they honked. I don't know if it was at me or not, but I don't think it was. Where am I gonna go? Where am I going to go? Will I go home? 20 minutes. Yeah, I probably should. Let me just scooch in right here. Scooch in right here. I'll overtake. Try to make my way back. Yeah, downshift, slow down. And then just go as far as I can. Yeah, now back here. Yippee. I'm touching your cars. So not to worry about me. Just say thank you. Oh, it's a hill. Please let me in, let me in, let me in. Yes, still green. Ah, thank God. So yeah, this is always a very busy part. That's just how it is. That's just how it is. That's just how it be sometime, innit? Right. That's just how it be. Still green.